Hi guys, how you all doing? Today we're going to make a very easy stir fry. We're going to make Mongolian beef. Now, the only thing Mongolian about this is the beef. You know, Mongolian beef is a Chinese, US, American dish. Okay? This will save you money at the restaurant and takeout. It's very simple to make and it is very tasty. So let's show you how to make Mongolian beef. Now what we've got to do, we've got to start with the beef. So if you look at our beef here guys, okay, we have the grain running this way. So we need to cut across the grain to get the best of our beef. Okay, so let's just even it up a little bit. Take that down there. Discard that bit of fat actually. You don't want that bit of fat on there. That is no good. So take that off there. Nice and easy. Watch your fingers as always. Okay, so what we're going to do, we've got the grain running down there. We're going to cut across the grain. And we're going to cut it into reasonable sized pieces. So we're going to cut it into sort of diagonally across the grain slices. So we get a nice slice, absolutely perfect. So we cut it across like that, and then we get the most out of our beef. We get a nice slice, but it will be tender. That's all meat prepared guys, fantastic slices. All we need to do now is put it in a bowl. Okay guys, into the bowl then what we need to do, we need to add about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Okay, now about a tablespoon of Cuisine wine. Or about a teaspoon of cornstarch. About a quarter of a teaspoon of baking soda. Now the baking soda is actually going to help tenderize this beef. And then we want to crack in an egg. A whole egg. We're not bothered about an egg white. Get the whole egg in there, but not the shell. And we need to get our hands in guys and give it a scrunchy up. Nice and steady, mix it in. That's going to be our beef marinating whilst we prepare our veg for our Mongolian beef. So that's our beef mixed up. All we need to do now is put that to one side while we prepare our veg. Okay, what we'll do then, we'll start with some carrots. Now we only want to julienne the carrot, we don't want much carrot at all. So just take it a little bit down, okay, and then we want to slice it very thinly. So that'll do. We only want a little bit of carrot, so I'll put our carrot on there, and then we'll take our chilies. Now for the chilies guys, we're just going to slice it across on a diagonal angle, so we end up with quite a nice shape to our chili pepper. Okay, so that's our chilies prepared. So we just need to put that on our tray. It's quite a lot of chilies there actually. And then we want to take some onion. And we're following the same sort of pattern as we've cut, okay? These are quite long, so we need to cut the onion quite long. nice and straightforward, and that's our onion slice. So put our onion on our tray, and then we want to take some green onion, a couple of green onions. Now we don't want the ends, so get rid of the ends, and then just peel off the old leaves. We don't want that either. We actually want to take the white end and cut into about 1 inch long pieces. Okay, and we're going to put that with our onion. And then what we need to do then, we need to take the green part, and this is going to be more like a garnish. So what we need to do is just slice this nice and small, about probably 1/2 centimetre pieces. So that's about enough really, we don't need any more than that. So the ingredients are very small really. There's hardly anything to this dish, but it is very, very, very tasty. Oh, we need a dry chili. Okay, nearly forgot. What we need to do is put in a couple of dried chilies. Now obviously the seeds in these things are really, really hot, so you can either cut open and take the seeds out, or just cut through. So if you cut the end off and give it a tap tap, most of the seeds should come out. There we are. Obviously we don't want that end, so we'll just cut that and put that in there. Do the same again. Nice and steady, take most of the seeds out. That's what all the heat is. Okay, and then we got some dry chili. All we need to do now, guys, is head over to the stove and get the beef on. Okay, so we want to get our beef in there. Try and get it in singly if you can, and then it won't stick. But what we need to try and do is drop it in, turn it a golden brown on the beef, nice and gently so it's cooked. I'm sure it's not sticking. Okay, so we need to take out and drain. So we'll take it out and we'll drain it, and then we'll put the rest of our beef in to cook through. So nice and gently then, try not to get splashed. So what we're going to do, okay guys, we need to get this out of here. So what we'll do, we'll just tip it all in here. There we go. We give the wok a wipe out and we're ready to go again. Okay guys, we want a little bit of oil in our pan. Turn on the heat. Warm it through. We're going to put in some garlic and ginger. Bit of garlic and ginger paste. Get that in there. We don't want to burn this, so nice and steady. You can see it's coming along there, nice and easy. And then we need to go in with our onion. So get our onion in there, all our onion. Give that a quick little mix through. Now you can see the heat, it's like medium to high. We don't have to go too crazy. Nice and steady. Okay, and then in with our carrot. So we'll put our carrot in. Give that a little bit of a stir around. Colours are already amazing. And then in with our red and green peppers. Get that in there. And put in our dried chilli. Nice and steady, give it a stir around. Some fantastic colours going on in there already. And then we want to add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Give that a quick stir around. Turn down the heat a little bit, we don't want to be cooking too high a flame. A little splash of Soshin wine. A tiny splash of black vinegar. Give that a stir around. In with our beef. Stir it all through, guys. Nice and steady. Oh, that looks amazing. That looks absolutely amazing. And then we want to be adding just a little bit of black soy sauce, dark soy sauce. And that's going to give our colour in there. Get that stirred in. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Add a little splash of water, not much, because we're just trying to create a little bit of sauce in our Mongolian beef. Okay. We want to go in with a little bit of cornstarch slurry. Just to give us that nice velvety sauce over our final dish. Oh man, just look at that. Little shake of white pepper. And that is us done. All we need to do now is turn off and serve up. Amazing Mongolian beef done. You can drop in some green onion now, and then we'll drop some green onion over the top. Just look at that. Amazing. Oh, now for my favourite bit, the taste test. Absolutely amazing. Soft tender beef. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Oh, perfect and crunchy vegetables. Man, that is so good. That is absolutely amazing. Now guys, this is definitely one to give a try. This will save you money at the restaurant and take out. Absolutely fantastic and easy to make. Now I hope you enjoy what we're doing, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your friends. We'll catch you next time.